Phone. Ooh. Flip phone for everyone. Okay. I'm just joking around. But really, this is probably the second cheapest phone you can get. Like, I don't know how I can describe this more than this is probably the cheapest you can get. Like, this is pretty dumpy. I mean, well, for a flip phone, it's actually pretty good because if you look back at some older stuff, that might stack up really bad to today's flip phones, but seriously, like, how bad could you get? Second worst phone in America? Like, oh my gosh. Second worst. I mean, second cheapest. It's not the second worst phone in America. Now, I can think of a lot of phones that are worse. But, yeah. So, here's my daily phone. It's an HTC Desire 526, I think. Yeah, I think that's what it is. But, or 536. You know what? I don't even care. I just like the phone. Because it was like $125, for the whole phone itself. This is only less than the last two digits of that. This is 1288. So okay, so you can see this is from Verizon. Now, Verizon's most reliable, not that they're the best in the country in places, like, but they cover most of the country with good network. And, good network. Not, like, cover one spot with really good network and everything else is okay-ish. I mean, yeah. That's how all other companies have it worked. Or, like, plans are like data is unlimited and texting is unlimited, but calling is like T-Mobile. Calling isn't really unlimited. You have to buy like a certain number of minutes a month, and it's just like the data thing with Verizon. So you can see, but we live here in Arizona, and it's not very covered here. But if you live somewhere like over here in this area, yeah, you get really good network. But so here's the phone itself. I can't believe this, but this starts at only $15 a month for plans. So you get 300 minutes of talk or text, and unlimited mobile web. Now unlimited mobile web, it's just 3G on a crappy flip phone, so that's not gonna be amazing. And then you can do $30 a month for everything unlimited, which is awesome. And then, but yet again, it's just a little flip phone, so texting isn't really that important. But yeah, so this is for like old people who don't use phones that much and just use them to maybe hook up with their folks, well, if they're old, they don't have folks. Sorry about that. Okay, but this is just for, like, people who, like, oh, well, Alaska has nothing. But, for, like, people who only use their phones for emergencies. So, children, if you get this phone, don't expect to text everybody at the same exact time. Don't expect smartphone capabilities. Don't expect to be able to post a selfie on Instagram. Now, if you need to do that, go out yourself and buy a $50 tablet. I've been using that for a very long time until now, which what I'm recording with is a lot more expensive than that, which is a lot more worth that. But so here, let's unbox this if I can. I don't even know if I can. Okay. Because this is like you pick it up and then you do it at home. You like activate it at home, which is cool. Some people might not like that. I don't really care. I mean, I'm not using this phone, but okay. So here's the phone and all the stuff that comes with it. You get a charger, you get the cable, and you get some guides. So plastic, remove that, and you've got charger cable. It's not removable USB, so just keep that in mind. And I have a bunch of removable USBs, so that doesn't really matter to me. And actually, oh my gosh, I think they do use a model like this at the store. But this is dark blue and gray, so it's a really nice color and a really nice looking phone. Just so you know, this is plastic. The little shiny stuff around the thing. So yeah. Put that aside. Take out the battery. There's the little lithium-ion battery thing. So yeah, pretty small battery. But it does this job. Why did my flash turn off? That was weird. Oh, it's my light. That's not my flash, okay, but yeah, just some security thingamabobs. And here we have the GH90. Okay, I think that's the serial number for this. There's you got your activation service guide. So this is pretty much your manual, and it tells you how to activate this. Use this if you're old folks who want a just a emergency phone or just a basic phone. Don't do all that Facebook stuff, and you can actually do Facebook stuff on here. Just don't do that much stuff, and just do normal texting and stuff. So that's what this phone's for, not for the over obsessive social media teenagers. This is for people who don't want to afford an expensive phone, don't need to afford an expensive phone, and don't even know how to use an expensive phone. So let's take off the plastic. I don't want to be one of those retards who don't take off the plastic during their unboxing videos. That's my pet peeve. Yes? Wait. Excuse that interruption. So, what was I saying? Oh, people who don't want to afford an expensive phone, don't need to afford an expensive phone, and don't even know how to use an expensive phone, and hardly know how to use this one. So, I'm not one of those people. And this isn't even an expensive phone. This is a budget phone. Not cheap, budget. Now, this is a cheap phone. Here we go. We're gonna open it up. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so psyched. Because I got a flip phone. I got a flip phone. This is just bonkers, yo. This is just bonkers. I don't know why I'd want a flip phone, but I've always wanted one. And I actually, like, mine. Like, I've always wanted my flip phone, not my mom's old flip phone or whatever, because that's what. And I never got a flip phone. I thought I was gonna get this flip phone after I broke my other one, but no, I got that smartphone. It was a 3-month early birthday gift. So, yeah. I was surprised. I was like, no way. So, there you go. There you got it. Take off this. This is pretty interesting. Not sure if this is the camera thing or not, but it's still pretty cool. And I think they used like this for their thing. So now we gotta pop off this. Like I think they used one of these for their show. Just not a battery in it, so no one turns it on or something. Starts filling with it. Crap, where'd my battery go? Sorry about that. Here we go. Let's open this up. Force works. Anything else doesn't. Force works. Force works. Always force. Always force. Most of the time, force works. There we go. Sorry, I'm bad at camera work when I can't see the camera. So there you go. It's a 1,000 milliamp hour battery. That is tiny, but does the job. Does the job of 1,000. Okay, we gotta close that. And then we gotta. That is awesome. This is my first time powering this up, so. Oh, wow, that's cool. Just like my mom's old phone. Okay, English. Set. Okay. Now watch. When I close. Oh. What? Oh, it's the camera thing! Oh my gosh, this is my jam. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite thing. So this is actually a color display back here. So it's a camera. What? Oh my gosh. This